Hi everyone, it's Lauren. I am making a very good salad for dinner tonight, and I was going to show you all the ingredients I'm putting in the salad. I love making salads because usually 2-3 times of the week is actually what I eat, and I add many different kinds of vegetables, fruits, and dry fruits or nuts, and a lot of salt and pepper or hard-boiled eggs to make it a good meal, something that is well balanced. And this one, I call it my my autumn salad, because I add beets to it, and for some reason this time of the year is the only time I make this salad. Why? I don't know. You can buy beets any time of the year, and I do, because I love the flavor. And I get them either in a jar or in a can. They're sliced or the whole beet, and I usually don't get them with anything added, so they're not pickled or they're not sweet, just plain beets. I've never tried making them myself, but you know, they're easy to buy, so just grab a jar and bring it home. And what I do usually, just like any kind of vegetable or fruit, sometimes they're not they don't have that rich flavor, so I add just a teaspoon, like if I'm making a cup, just to add it to the salad, I add just a teaspoon of raw sugar to the beets, and I let it boil in its own juice, and then I only pick up the beets and just let the juice stay. I'm not adding that to the salad. So this salad, I love salads that have many ingredients in it. To me, that's just delicious, because when you're eating it, you have all these flavors. And I don't do much with the dressing. I don't go crazy with a very full flavored dressing, a very simple dressing, but I like the ingredients to just stay fresh and have their natural flavor. So for this salad, I have my greens, hard-boiled eggs, I have a lemon, I have my beets, I have it sliced, and also whole beets, and then red kidney beans, and I will show you how I add them all together with the dressing. Okay, I have my greens washed, dried, and I have cut them in just a little chunky pieces. And then I am using the sliced beets. I'm going to add it to the lettuce. You can cut them smaller, but not too small. You don't want them to get too mushy and make the lettuce leaves wilt away. And then I have my red beans, full of protein, so this is going to be a very good salad. That's why you need a little salt and pepper. It just adds so much more flavor. And for even more protein, I always have hard-boiled eggs in the refrigerator, because it's just easy snack. You get hungry and you're in the middle of doing something. So I am going to just either cut it in small pieces. You can just slice it if you like, but I have always done this, so I'm just doing a little shredding. And not only this salad is so good, it's very pretty too. So you have the eggs, the beautiful egg yolk, and then you have your red beans, the beautiful beets, and the greens. It just looks so pretty. And of course, you're going to make this just before you want to serve it, so they all look so beautiful together. And a nice generous amount of salt. My beets are just a tad sweet. They're not that sweet, because you want all the flavors to just melt into each other. So you know you're having beets, you're having eggs, you're having the greens, and a little olive oil, of course. Give it that extra moisture, and lemon juice. And of course, you're going to do all this. You're going to give it a toss and a taste to see if you like it. So pretty. And add more. If you like more beets, add more beets. And oh my goodness, Somebody is up. Hi, sweetheart. Come on, my princess. There. And just before I serve it, you can even add Parmesan to this. Skip a little on the salt and spread your Parmesan on top. So you will have this beautiful, salty, lemony, sweet taste all mixed in together. Right before, Ray, sweet baby, what you doing up here? I will add some beets right on the top. You don't like beets. And that's it. You have this yummy, delicious. Are you smelling eggs? My baby loves eggs. A little bit more salt. Do you want to be right in front of the camera? And I think that is just perfect. You didn't need anything else. The olive oil was just fine. Lemon juice was lemony. I had enough lemon juice in there. Very good. And just scoop this big fat scoops and put it on your plate and enjoy it with a piece of baguette, a dinner roll, or just crackers if you like to. Since Ray's in front of the camera. A beautiful, beautiful salad. Not only is beautiful, it's really delicious too. I hope you give it a try. And please subscribe. When you subscribe, you're supporting us, and we appreciate that very, very much. Thank you. I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you make this. Right? See you soon. Thank you for watching. One more look at this beautiful salad, since my kitty was blocking the camera. Beets and eggs. You can add even more at the very last minute before you serve it, just to make it look even prettier. I hope you enjoyed the salad. Everything that goes in the beet salad, of course, your lettuce, beets, red beans, hard-boiled eggs, and for the dressing, olive oil, salt and pepper, and the juice of about half a lemon, a medium-sized lemon, and give it a good toss.